What's your good name?
My name is Vasudev C.
Where you are working?
I am working in Kirloskar Batteries.
Okay. What is the age?
My age is 56.
Very good. You are from which place?
I am from Bangalore.
Bangalore. You tell me your experience on chronic kidney disease.
Sir, actually, 9 months before, when I started, before taking this treatment,
That
I
was
was
in
diagnosed.
December 2021, is it?
Yeah, yes, sir. December 21. I was diagnosed as CKD. I was admitted to in Maliga nursing home. They told that you are CKD and your eGFR is also below 10. Then creatinine was 7. 7. And then they told you are almost your last 2 kidneys. They told. Then after 1 day they have given treatment. After 1 day my creatinine level came down to 0.5 or something. They're slowly improving. You are in dialysis state. We can't say anything about this. They told. Then after that.
So that means they have asked you to go for dialysis.
Yeah, they have told for me to dialysis. Then my daughter's marriage was 1 week before. Then I told after my daughter's marriage, I'll come
for
take
dialysis.
treatment, dialysis and take treatment. After that, my marketing manager, Kirloskar, they told, please go to Mr. Raju sir. He is an IS officer. He is giving treatment for
Kidney
disease. You please try it. This is for initially you started. It has started now it's a kidney problem. So please try it that time.
At that time, what about your body status?
At that time, my body was shivering and my legs were swelling and my heartbeat also was very higher and sugar level also was higher. Then they
And how much insulin you used to take?
sir, when I was in hospital, they told you take 20 units morning, evening 20 units, they told. So I started that treatment also. When I came to Raju sir, that for miracle drinks, they told that you take this. After 15 days, I think 15 days, my sugar level was very low.
Very good.
Then I started reducing 2 units. For weekly I was reducing 2 units. Finally, 1 day I left insulin.
All 40 units.
All 40 units. Then I came to tablet. Morning, what I was taking before. Then I was taking morning 1 tablet and evening tablet. That also sugar level was little bit low, normal to little bit low.
Again you left.
Again I left morning medicine. Evening only 1 tablet I was taking. Now sugar level is normal. And my creatine level, when I came to, before I taking the treatment of miracle drinks, it was 6.33. After 15 days, it came to 0.5, less 0.55. From 3 months, it started coming lower and lower and now my creatine level was 1.35, almost normal to, and my body changes was, I think almost I am normal person. I don't think that I am a CKD patient and it is a miracle that what Raju sir has invented, but I don't know how he sacrificed his for his medicine, but so many people are well. Yeah, I have given the reports to each 15 days what I getting lower and all. It has fully normal. If anybody.
Then what about eGFR rate?
eGFR, sir, when I was admitted to hospital, my eGFR was below 10. After that, I did not check for 3 months, that eGFR, I don't know. But once you please check that eGFR, it was 45. Then after 1 month, it came to 49. After 1 month, 51. Now my eGFR is 53.
Wonderful, great. So today, the dated 13th September 2022,
sir.
you have become, something new person.
Yeah, sir. I don't think that I am infected for
Chronic kidney disease.
disease. I don't think. If anybody sees also unbelievable, and I left all the medicine. I did not go to the hospital. This is the treatment I am taking. I will not leave this treatment. If it's normal also, I am not going to take it.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.